have a game. Oh, wow. Because Artus is turning 9. In that, one of those balloons on top, there is 9,000 pesos there. Alam na ni Kim kung nasan yun.
Alam mo, Kim? Eating, Mom.
You have to pick one. Pero dahil...
But now eating.
Okay, you start eating na. So, yeah, there's one. You have to pick it. But, it's there. There's a raffle draw there. You have to pick one paper. There's a number there. And, kung ano yung number ng balloon na nandyan, yun yung makukuha niyong gift.
Ay,
Bakit, ma?
baka hindi ko makuha yun.
Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa.
Ayan, may mga sinulat tayo dito. Nagkulat tayo ng mga papel. Lalagay natin ito sa balloon. Isang example. Ito. Yan yung mga sample na gagawin nila. Bukod sa bago nila makuha yung 9,000 pesos kasi birthday ni Artus. So, ilan kami? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. At yung ikalima ay
What are you doing, Mom? I said, what are you doing?
yan.
What are you doing, Mom?
We will put it inside the balloon. I'm making letters. Wait. And then, happy birthday, my love. Okay. Don't open it, I will put the letters inside. Uy. And then, pump it, Jay. Pump it more. Oh. I'll drop the letters inside. Oh, where's the letter? Oh, there. There's the letter inside. And then, pump a bit of air. Pump a bit of air. Yan na nga. Nandito nga yung makakakuha ng pera.
Oops.
Isa lang yung pera dito.
Pag nakuha mo piso, Mom.
Papump na sila. Isa lang dyan yung pera. Una na siya. Lagi na una. Binyagan niya lahat ng luto ni Mami.
Make it creamy. Make it creamy.
Okay, I'll add more cream.
Ito.
Yung nasa taas, yan yung mga may papel na, Kim. Aya! Hala. Kalabasin siya niya. Kakabagin ko. I'm choosing ang birthday boy na to. What did you say?
Where's the volcano? Are you kidding? There is no volcano.
You don't like the cake?
I like the cake.
Yeah, it's a dinosaur cake. It's so good. Stand up there so we can see the birthday boy. Happy birthday, Arthur.
My little sisters then happy birthday, big brother.
Yes. What?
Light up the candle, Tito. Please lit up the candle, Tito.
Okay. Turn on your music. It's off now. There. Whoa. Oh, are you happy?
Yes.
Kim, sige na.
Happy birthday, Arthur.
Narinig ka pa.
Happy birthday, Arthur. Happy birthday, Arthur.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Arthur.
Birthday dance! By Arthur.
Come on, dance.
Bagong gawa.
Oh, wait. Music. Oh, nasa mo nagkainom ng dinosaur mo?
Come on, make a wish.
Yeah, because it's typhoon here. We cannot invite anyone. It's typhoon. Okay, one more time. One more time. Because it's typhoon, we cannot invite anyone. Because your wish is to invite, diba? The baby show and the Mama Johnny and the others and your classmates. But we cannot invite because it's typhoon. It's dangerous for them to travel, right?
When I will watch Genie on the Joe.
Yeah, here, Shaw can watch this, your birthday. Because it's dangerous for them to travel. Take two. Happy birthday, Arthur. Happy birthday, Arthur. What is it nga?
It's on him now.
Become? What?
To next stage.
The next stage. Okay.
Very good wish to the next stage.
How about Kina? What's your next wish? About Ate Kim? Come on, let's sit na. Let's sit na. Yummy. But we have a game. Oh, wow. Because Artus is turning 9. In that, one of those balloons on top, there is 9,000 pesos there.
Yung
Diba si Kim? Alam na ni Kim kung nasan yun.
Alam mo, Kim? What's the meeting, Mom?
You have to pick one. Pero dahil
What's the meeting?
okay, you start eating na. So, yeah, there's one. You have to pick it, but it's there. There's a raffle draw there. You have to pick one paper. There's a number there. And kung ano yung number ng balloon na nandyan, yun yung makukuha niyang gift.
Ay,
Bakit mo?
baka hindi ko makuha yun.
And 5 lang yan because we are 5. So, everyone can pick there, just one balloon. Okay. Maupunan.
Ay, tinandaan na ni Kiko yun.
Hindi nga si Kiko naghawak niyan eh, si Kim lang eh. Alam mo baka nagpaumaga si Kim dyan, di umaalis. Umabot na ng gabi, yan lang yung trabaho ni Kim. Tinagdaan ni Kim.
May pangalan, may number?
Oo, may laman yung loob.
O sunod-sunod ang
Yun yung gift mo.
Sunod-sunod ang number?
Hindi, syempre, shuffle
Ako?
yan. Wow! You like it?
Yes.
Happy birthday, we love you. Do you love us?
Happy birthday, Arthur.
You said you will go to the phase 20 and live there.
No, I want to come back.
How many months? After
3.
3 months daw, you will come back. Oh, you got a food there in the house.
I want to stay in phase 1. It's home to me.
In the Lucky Cat. This is a Lucky Cat building, right?
Yes.
Okay, happy birthday. Oh, let's eat na. Come on. Do you like your dino cake?
Yes.
What?
Remove the dinosaur.
What are you gonna do now on? Here, look at here, Jay.
Remove the dinosaur. This guy's not
Okay. Stand up, you can stand up. Oh. Wow. Where are you gonna put that? You like your dinos?
Like, so you can put your dino there.
Wow. Do you like your dino? Ang dami dami. Okay. Now, when you cut your cake, where will you put it? Get another small plate. See, our Artus is becoming a responsible kid now. Ha? Walang birthday siya.
Look at na. Just leave it there.
Hindi nasasalita, nandun yung camera.
You can slice na your cake.
Wow. Happy birthday, Artus! Yan. Happy birthday, Artus! Oh,
Ang laki ng
hindi
cake.
nga, ang big cake. You're for that, really. Okay.
Big cake?
Yeah, you should use
That's
that.
how you do.
Meron naman. Use a fork. Touch it with a fork. One on top and one under. There. See? Wow, it's a rainbow cake.
Yeah,
Press. Just press it together.
Then, okay.
There. Is it good? Ewan ko ba? Sarap. Yes? What did you say? Yeah. Oh, there's a raffle draw in your back. A paper.
Iyakan mo na.
Sige na, niraffle ko na yan, Kim.
Iyakan mo na.
Oo. May 9 million pesos es dyan. Dahil 9 years old na si Artus. Naniniwala ka ba dun, ma? 9 million pesos es? Totoo yun!
Totoo.
Pag hindi ka naniwala, hindi mo makukuha.
Milk. 9K na. Hindi mo makuha.
Because Artus is 9 years old. Come on, dali, pick a number. There's a number there. Oh, because you are the birthday boy. Oh, you're the one who will pick. Stand up and go. Pick one paper there. Just pick one. Everyone will just stand up and get the one paper. Oh, sit down. Go back to your seat. Oh, what's your number? What did you get? Show it to the camera.
So, wait, ito lang.
4.
Okay, oh. In the balloon, from here, count the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. The fourth balloon, you get it. That's yours. Pick it up. And stop it.
Use the chair.
Go up in the chair.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Patulong up yun. Push yung maliit lang.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, the number 4. No, the smallest. Take it off. Slowly, ah. Okay, oh, sit down. And then stop your balloon. Slowly, ha?
Nakuha na ng arcade.
Come on, stop it.
Kinuha na talaga mo.
Ha? Stop it, come on.
Come on.
Oh, you can put it on the floor na.
Oh, there, there.
Okay.
just on the floor. Do it dito, on the floor.
Come here, come
Go. Jesus, may money pa to.
Oh.
Happy birthday, R2. So what's inside the paper?
What's inside?
Get it. Show it. Can I see? Wow, siya yung nakakuha nung 9,000 pesos eh. You won. Congratulations. You're a lucky guy.
9,000 each. It's 9,000 each.
Not cake.